Number 22, oats and beans. I'm used to oats and peas and beans, and that's, I mean, it's the same American folk song, the same fiddle, but I'm used to it being in 4/4 or 2/4 for my cut time. So this is in our 6/8. So let's do the same thing that we did for number 21. We're going to do it with all 6 beats being used by the metronome, and then we will switch it over to our complex duple as in 2. So first I'm going to set my metronome. Let's do 140 for the 8th note. The 8th note's going to be the beat for that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E, 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 D, C, C, C. So watch your bowing. Down, down, up, down, down, down. Okay. Let's do it once. That way you can always repeat it on your own, and then we'll do it in that complex duple. Number 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's switch it over to 55. I think will be a good speed for us. And we're going to subdivide. Our brain is still going to say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. So let's do it twice. The first time I will say it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the second time on the repeat I will keep my trap shut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.